Hey, this is Taylor here at Truck World RVA. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 2014 Freightliner M2, showing just under 291,000 miles. It's got around 14,000 hours. It's a 6.7 Cummins ISB powered truck, Allison automatic, 11-foot Summit Series bed with a 10-620 crane. It's got a couple sets of drawers in it, hydraulic air compressor, new tires all the way around. The bed was just professionally sandblasted and repainted. We just paint the exterior, so the interior of the bed's just cleaned. Pretty clean truck all the way around. It was a fleet-owned truck local to Virginia. It's been here its whole life. Van Air RC40 compressor. The goal of these videos is to show you everything about the truck as if you were here looking at it in person. So I'm going to take some time in the beginning to go around and point out any cosmetic imperfections. Second half of the video, we'll do a compressor and a crane demo, and I'll take the truck for a spin. So I'm just going to go ahead and get right to it. And if you have any questions at any point in time or need any additional photos, videos, or information, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. You have paint peel right around where this handle attaches. A little bit of rust bubbling through there, as well as some areas of paint failure and chipping on the door. It's a 26,000 GVWR truck. It's under CDL weight. It does have air brakes. It has a locking rear and air ride rear. It's a 280 horse rated Cummins. Plenty of power getting up and down the road. Aftermarket CarTech wireless remote. Laptop mount. Again, brand new steers, brand new drives. New chrome front bumper. Some areas on the hood of paint chips. Nothing too major, but worth pointing out. Sorry, we usually put chrome bumpers on it, but it appears like this one's not new. It probably already had it. I might have been confusing it with a different truck. Either way, the bumper's chrome. A couple more areas here on this passenger door of paint flake. And a little spot at the bottom of the door there. All the bin floors are solid. We'll look inside the bins in just a minute here. Again, the exterior of the bed was just refinished, so it shows like new. No chips, dents, dings, or scratches anywhere on the bed. It's a Summit Series bed. All the doors close, latch, and lock as they should. All the door seals are in good shape. Any of the gas shocks that were weak have been replaced. This is your torch compartment here. Passenger front. You have multiple shelves in here as well as racks for your torch bottles. All these latches are keyed the same. We do have the keys for them as well. One set of Eberhard style center grip drawers over the passenger wheel well. Two skinny sets of drawers instead of that long set you usually get in this compartment. crane compartment here. You have the hydraulic outriggers, hose reel with air regulator, manual for the bed, then your control panel here, the compressor, outriggers, crane, load charts right here. It goes out to 21 feet, 2-stage hydraulic extension, 10,000 pound maximum lifting capacity. You have a tow hitch receiver here, currently just has a step in it. Reel up here, you have one waste oil tank, grease bucket, transfer valve, brand new winch line just installed on the crane. Driver rear compartment has one shelf. Shelves are fairly easy to put in if you needed additional shelves. They're not very expensive. It does have the inner track system in all the compartments. Set of wheel chocks there, another shelf. That shelf can be moved down so that it's more in the center. Nice set of granite drawers in this compartment with another set of those center grip drawers mounted on top. I don't know how you'd ever be able to see what's inside of the ones on top, but they're there either way. Probably take those out and relocate them to another compartment is what I would do. They're a little tall to be practical. And then a skinny cabinet here with a bunch of shelving in it. That's about it for the cosmetic portion of the walk around. I'm going to get in the truck, take it for a spin. Again, if you have any questions at all, 804-716-8487. 299.56 on the miles. $14,826 on the hours. Air ride seat. Power windows. AC blows nice and cold. Any rattling you hear is from that laptop mount right there. Pretty tight turning radius. Sometimes I can't make that turn in a 550. Before we get into running the crane, just wanted to talk about the lighting a little bit. So every interior compartment has LED strip lighting inside of it. You have LED work lights on your rear corner here, as well as another one down here, and then another one on the front corner up there by the crane, and this back corner here. So lots and lots of lighting on the truck. No, it's not as much of a problem in the summer, but definitely in the winter, when it gets dark early, you got tons of light all over this thing. With your panels set to outrigger power, crane is run off a CarTech aftermarket wireless remote, fully proportional to control the speed. Do simultaneous control. You can run the crane. I have the compressor running right now as well. Compressor builds just shy of 140 psi regulated. "21-foot, two-stage extension. Obviously, I have the back drop down right now as well, so you can lower the rear. Makes it easier to stow and unstow the crane. So again, it's a 2014 Freightliner M2, 26,000 GVWR, just under CDL weight. If you have any questions at all, feel free to call or text 804-716-8487. This is all I buy and sell. If you're looking for something similar, give me a shout. We have all kinds of trucks coming in on a daily basis. So let me know what you're looking for. I probably have it on the way in. Thanks again for watching.